Ayanokoji is a jack of all trades. He is expert in chess, material arts, or even calligraphy. The one thing that is the most important to learn all of these is learning. In today's video, I'll tell you how to get ahead from the 99% of your classmates. Before I'll tell you what you must do, let's first look at one mistake that you shouldn't do to maximize your results. Are you the one who makes notes in the class the teacher is teaching? This way your focusing is splitting in two areas, and both the tasks can't be done by 100% efficiency. Make your notes after heading to your home. This way you can also test your memory, and if you can't remember some parts, you can just ask for your classmates to show their notebook. Now let's look at the framework. Let's first look at the thing that stops you from starting your studies. Procrastination. Here's a simple exercise you can use to defeat your procrastination and actually start doing your task. Step 1. Just switch off your phone. Step 2. Decide that you actually have to study. Step 3. Count from 5 to 1, and when you say 1, you'll just start studying. Your body can do anything, it's just your mind that stops you from doing. If your mind don't have the time to think about that work, your body will automatically start doing it. Let me introduce you to a fascinating technique and involves doing nothing. Yes, nothing. Whenever you learned or understand a broad topic, take a break and just wonder. This way your mind can store that information more effectively, and your questions related to that topic will rise, and when you understand and solve these questions, you will truly understand the topic. Have you ever wondered why students who study for 10 hours ended up scoring 50 to 60%, while the one who only studies for 4 hours get the highest scores? This is because of the focus level between them. The one who studies for 10 hours learn while continuously checking their notifications, scrolling TikTok and doing random stuff, while the one who scores the highest studies with his full focus on one single task at hand. The straightforward method to boost your focus is to stay at the random place in your room for 30 to 60 seconds and try not to get any thoughts in your mind between this time period. This technique will help you to get tremendous focus under a minute, because visual focus follows mental focus. Ever wondered why you can't focus for more than a 5 minute? This is because of the lot of stimulated stuff in your place. Simply put, clean and remove all the unnecessary stuff from the place you're studying. Take all the stuff you need in between your work, like pens, scale, calculator, rough notebook, and a water bottle to stay hydrated. Plan your study routine instead of mindlessly studying the subjects that you like. Study accordingly. First, take a calendar and count how many days you've before your exams. Let's suppose you've 200 days. Divide it from 2, that is 100 days. You might wonder why we are studying for 100 days while we have 200 days. Look, our mind is lazy. It is like water. The more time you'll give your mind to finish a task, it'll take that exact time. This way we have plenty of time to revise and solve our questions, and to test how much we actually understood by taking tests. Take your routine while considering your weak subjects. For beginners, plan before the day of execution.